You better get out of here. Breathe, everything. Okay, well, let's roll up the window. Look at this. It's like fancy. Can't go wrong with a box of wigs. I need your help. I don't know what to do. And I'm so thankful to those firefighters. Good morning, everyone. So our power came on about 11ish, and then it was hot as hell last night, but this morning was fine, and then all of a sudden we're smelling smoke again. So we're gonna go check out the fires because it's really bad and it really stinks. So we're gonna go back to where the fires were. Chris has been sitting in the car. I was trying to look nice. Well, not that nice, but you know. Okay, we're pulling on in. Are you gonna pull in? Pull in? Oh, we're being rebels right now. That's a power station right there, right? Yeah.
All burned up to the station.
It's all burnt up to the station.
It's all smoldering.
I don't know if we can go this way. They're smoldering over there. You better get out of here. We're getting the hell out of here. And it's funny, there's one of those scooters right here. One of those bird scooters. Can I get in the back of your truck and see? So I'm on the back of Chris's truck right now, and I don't know if you could see all this smoldering right here. This is the power station. So this is probably where they turned off all of our power. Thank goodness it didn't burn, but it did burn right next to it, because you can see over there, there's burnt trees and still smoldering. There's a fires through that vent you can see. Hopefully you can see. It's right there. Wow. Okay, we're gonna check another area. This is a little skate park by our house. And look, this would be a perfect day to go roller skating. Too bad it's so smoky. You guys, I just have to show you this garden because this house went into foreclosure and the people that bought it built this wonderful garden. Look at the butternut squash down there. Those sunflowers, the corn. This is like a perfect garden area. It is so pretty. We're being rebels again. So this is a chemical plant by our house, and everyone from California was like, we heard that the chemical plant blew up, and it didn't. So air liquid. I don't know what kind of chemicals this stuff is, but what kind? Garden things? Oh, that's fun. The fire was out that way. But can we go out this way? Can we go? I'm so scared. Is this Dirt World? Oh. Oh, look at that. That's all the retardant on the rocks right here. Wow, look at that. I was like, wow, look at those pink rocks. There's stuff smoldering down here. Wow, they dropped it all right here. This is really close to our house, by the way. There's some really cool pictures online of people getting this photo of the planes dropping the retarded. Look at out in the field. Look at that. Oh, Christopher. I gotta get in trouble. Oh, holy cow, look at that. But there's the fire. Everything's like this really cool pink color. All the weeds and everything. This is probably not good to breathe, I would think.
No, not at all.
Okay, well, let's roll up the window. There's hot spots right here.
They have to cut the trees down like that because the fire gets inside the tree and then it sits and burns and smolders. So it burns from the inside. That's why that tree should burn there. They cut it.
Wow. Wow. That looks scary out here. Look at that. We turned on another dirt road. I don't think there's anything down here though. There's fire trucks down there. Look at that. Okay, so the plane dumped all right here. Oh, my finger, sorry. And then here's the gates. And there is the chemical plant that has fertilizer.
No, I think it's like weed killer. They make kill.
Weed killer. Sounds fun. There it is. Road is right there. Okay, for my tire guys, like Chris was telling me, this is corporate Schwab. This is where it all is. This is where they moved after Primeville. So we're going where the fire started. We're on the freeway. That said fire activity ahead. I got it.
Right up to the highway.
Oh yeah, look at that. Dang, look at that. Right to the highway. That's the taxidermy place. That's the old bar, Lucky's.
Oh yeah, it burned. There's fucking shop in the back for sure. Oh no, the shop's still sitting.
Dang.
They dumped it.
I don't know if you guys can see, there's a junkyard back here. That's the one that happened 3 years ago. I'll try to pause it.
There's dirt.
This is Dirt World. That's where a lot of the homeless lives.
Better dirt food right up here. Coming up right in here where the fucking dumpsters are. Everywhere.
Yeah, you guys can see.
Yeah, them fuckers are the ones that put it on fire. Right fucking by it.
Litter crew ahead. This is all like this giant homeless camp behind our house. Okay, there's a litter crew. You know who should be picking up the litter,
Yeah, so a bunch of little farting old ladies out here.
right?
Fucking goddamn homeless picking up their own mess.
It's bad out here, guys. We're going to this estate sale, but look at this. It's like fancy. This is gonna be cool. I can't wait to see this house. Parking in gravel.
No one even fucking, they're leaving. Who the fuck is that guy fucking being Mr. Cop fucking for?
Well, some people have their duties that they need to do.
Oh, I can't park there.
Oh, I'll just park right here. It's in the gravel. All right, let's go check out this house. U-Haul is going. So that looks like the garage right there. And the house is up there. Okay. Oh, look, a black Christmas tree. Holy cow, look at that. You guys, look how huge this reef is.
15. Okay.
Ah! You guys, look how cool this is. I don't know how much it says. How much does it say? I'll figure it out later. That's really cool. These are really cool. That's a good idea. Huh. That's a deer stopper for their garden. Wow. This is like my kind of yard sale. It's not gross.
Yesterday, or the day before, everything's good, it's gone.
There's a lot of good stuff. You guys, a box of wigs. Oh my god. That is so fun. And falls. Oh wow. Can't go wrong with a box of wigs. Oh, look at all the spray paint. These are nice tires, like real, new. All studs. This is where I found my studs. Okay. This is the house. There's two houses.
Guest house is 1,000. So this is 3,300 square feet. This is maybe due. I know where one for my cars is working.
Jesus.
That part is being named don't seem like a lot anymore. Buying crappy little houses for fucking.
I don't know if this is a crappy little house. Look at this pond. Ursula would love this. Well, we have to put up a fence for her. Kind of makes me have to go to the bathroom. So here's the grandeur house. Let's get a closer look. Oh, why do people have to come out? And then that's the little house over there. And other garages. Holy cow.
Thank you.
I'm gonna set him right here and pull my
Okay.
car up.
Just be careful.
Okay, guys, we're going in. Smells good in here. Oh. Wow. I guess there's a trampoline out here for $100. Oh, there it is. Another little waterfall. Look at this. This is crazy. Look how high the ceilings go up. Dang. We got some pillows here. Hello. You're very high up there. Little sitting room. Oh, sorry, my finger's in the way. Here's the trampoline. Oh, this is neat. It has a little sink right here. I like it. See the books that they have. Here's the entryway. And then there's like a little office space. Okay. Wow. Let's go up. We're on top of the stairs. Look it. It looks so far down there. Oh, wow. Here's that chandelier. The opening. Oh, look it. Senior. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. Let's first look in here, because I don't think there's a lot of things in here. Alrighty. And then there's a little fridge. And now we're in the man cave, I'm assuming. I think this is where that pheasant, that stuffed pheasant came out of. Dragonfly lamp. All the ceilings are so tall in here. Oh, she looks creepy. $20. I don't think I want that hot. I was gonna say haunted. Sorry, I was burping. Cribbage. We got some VHSs. You can really tell a person by their movies that they watch. A roll-up desk. Okay, look at these steins. They're pretty cute. $20. Is that plastic? No, it's glass. Okay. Oh, Sopranos. Oh. We love the Sopranos over here. Some kind of helmet with a lot of signatures over it. What do you think this is? Is that like a race car helmet? I'm thinking so because I see a 41. Here's another room. Has all the fancy plates. I wonder if they were swingers. Just kidding. Okay. Creepy doll alert. Oh, what is in here? I noticed, I wonder if this person was in theater because I've noticed a lot of costumes. This one's funny. Is this a costume? I don't know. I noticed these when I was up there. These are really cool. These are really cool. Do they call this like a dual fireplace? Because you can see it from both sides. I don't know. Look at this cookbook. This is really cool. This is an old one. It's only $10. It's really cool. I wanted to take a closer look at this. I think it's real, you guys. It's so sad. Lizards. I don't know why I always see different animals all the time or whatever, but aren't those cute? I don't know what kind they are. Huh. They're definitely trying to get warm. Look who I found. What are you doing? Oh, that's a cool stool.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm
doing.
I look at everything. Oh, this is really nice in here. Little mother-in-law place. Perfumey though. Best recipe files. That's pretty cool. Look at all the pewter. Wow. Look at that bed. I have a high bed. I don't have a bed this high though. That would be nice. I like a high bed for some reason. Reverse painting on glass? What? Did you see these, Chris? That's kind of like our Statue of Liberty, the reverse painting on glass.
Oh, yeah. I think just a graph, I think.
Oh, my finger. I don't think I paid that much for one. Looks like someone's judging me. Love this. I don't like the framing. Tim, you want to get it?
Yeah, that's fine. If I want to buy something, you're going to have to run up and pay for it.
All right. That one's cool too, the jazz one. But I resonate with this one. Tanaka. So we got that for $15. We didn't even bargain. Well, Chris was like, here, she'll give you the 20. And she's like, do you want it for 15? That was yesterday's prices. Amazing. Okay, you guys, here it is. I am so excited. It's so pretty, but I need your help. Any art people, or you don't even have to be an art person, know what I can do, because I absolutely hate this frame so much. I hate it. I think it would look really cool in a fun black lacquered frame, but yeah, I don't know what to do. Let me show you the back. So here, this is the back of it. I'm excited because I keep forgetting to get these, so I'm gonna steal one of these off and put it on those other paintings I got, or prints. Everything's a print, nothing's a painting. So I can hang it up, but can I just take this apart, or will it ruin it? I need your help. I don't know what to do. So let me know. The frame's really heavy. Looks like there's like a board there. I don't know. Let me know. Whew. Okay, it's freaking hot now, and it's much later. I just got done cleaning all the house and whatever. Got the sewing machine here. I think I threaded it pretty good, but I actually can't see because if I turn on the light that's above here, we're next to the fish tank, by the way. If I turn it on, like everything's gonna pop, all the fans, and it's, like I said, just way too hot. So that being said, I think we're gonna finish the video here because it's already long enough as it is, and it's more cohesive. We don't need to see all this. But what I'm gonna do now, and I'm gonna put a little video, I'm gonna make my sandwich. I'm gonna tell you what it is. So you just grill up some bread. It's supposed to be brie cheese, but I'm vegan, obviously, that I've told you a million times. And so I used the vegan cream cheese from Trader Joe's. It was really good. The Baby Bells would work really good also. But anyway, you grill it with some olive oil, and then you rub a piece of garlic on it. Not too much. You don't want it too spicy. And then you put the cheese on. You put the basil on, and then you put the cantaloupe on there. And I know it sounds strange, but it's so good. It's so juicy, and everything's like cold against this kind of warmish sandwich. Oh, it's so good. But another reason why I'm going to do it, because bread bloats me, so I'm just going to do that and then take my measurements. And tomorrow we'll go to Joann's, and I think I'm going to get a pattern. I think she's side-eyeing me, isn't she? She's like, girl, you're not getting this done. I am getting this done. So anyway, yeah, so I think I'm going to get a pattern. I'm going to try to make my own pattern also, but I really want this to come out good. That's why I'm so nervous about doing it. So, because I want it to be good. I want to wear it, you know. And plus on the pattern, it tells you like what kind of material to use, because I don't know. Even though I sewed for a living at one point in my life, I don't know. I don't know what things need to be with what, you know. So anyway, I'm trying to think, is there anything else I wanted to tell you about the fire? Oh, I guess we were at evacuation 2 until 11 o'clock last night. And, well, you saw the rest. So, I mean, I'm so glad no houses were burnt out. And I'm so thankful to those firefighters, because not only was it hot as hell, they worked so hard to protect everything. So, thank you, firefighters. I love you. And please like, subscribe, and share. And tomorrow, we're going to Joann's. We're getting things done. And hopefully, at least have a pattern. Or a dress tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah.